Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my first devlog. So I'm currently working on a game called Wizard. It's not the official name, but I'm just gonna call it that for now. I took inspiration from another game called Kingdom New Lands, and I'm gonna be implementing some of its features. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to sub, like, comment, all of that, and yeah, let's get into it. So I opened up my old project, and this is how it looks like, and we're going to be trying to improve it in this devlog. So basically, there was some simple movement. I stole most of the assets from Google, and yeah, the animation was just horrible. Like, it wasn't working, but when it was, it still looked really bad. So we're going to be trying to improve that. So I dragged the artwork in for the actual wizard, and I started working on animation because I've tried that a lot of times and it usually doesn't work, so I'm going to try to get it to work. I made a little walking animation, which looks like this. So I scrapped that and tried a different way of animating the walking. So I basically made two animations, one for the arms going out and one for the arms going in, and they just transition, but it was basically the same thing. I added some rigid bodies and box colliders and stole the old code from the old project. And since I couldn't get the walking animation to work, I just went for a shooting animation, which actually turned out pretty good. I made a Trello list, added some things in, and I eventually had this. It doesn't work too well, but we're just gonna have to work with it for now until I can make it better. And one of the problems was that you can just rapid fire and the animation would only play once. So I started working on the potion stand, which is one of the 4 or 5 shops that I'm gonna be making. Imported Cinemachine and got it to follow the player. I tried putting the camera on the player, but it just makes the entire camera flip with the player. So I eventually just fixed that, and I started working on the actual potion shop. So this took a bit of time to get it to show and then disappear based on where the player is, but I managed to figure it out and it worked. And a problem was that when you clicked it, your player shot also. So I had to fix that. And this was the result. It was working like I wanted it to. So I got it to take away coins when you clicked it, and moved some things around in Trello and added some more, and that was the end of the day. So Saturday morning started off a bit slow, but I managed to get a cooldown time between shots working, moved some things around in Trello and added some more, and then I implemented mana regen. So it basically works the same as the cooldown time, but instead of you being able to shoot after the time is over, it just adds to your mana, and I think it does that every 1 second. And I I made a feature where if your mana is, let's say, 93, it adds 10 and becomes 103, it just automatically goes to your max mana level, which in this case was 100. Most of the day was just spent in Photoshop trying to make an enemy, which took way too long. I shouldn't have spent that much time on it, but I did. And then I made an animation for it, so it would chase you, and it fell over. This has been my first devlog, so if you guys have any recommendations or critiques, just leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and supporting me on this journey. While you're at it, make sure to comment down below if I should show all the code. I mean, like, the hard parts of the code that took me a long time to figure out in the devlogs, well, the future devlogs. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and yeah, see you guys next time.